Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review Amazon Business Account. Thinking about opening an Amazon Business Account in 2025? Whether you are a small business owner, a corporate buyer, or just curious about what perks Amazon offers beyond regular Prime, this video is for you. Today we're diving into a full review of the Amazon Business Account. We will cover the pros, the cons, pricing, and whether it's actually worth it in 2025. So stick around because this could save your business time and money. And for now, let's get into it. What is Amazon Business? Amazon Business is Amazon's specialized platform designed for companies and organizations. Think of it as Amazon Prime, but for businesses. It offers a tailored shopping experience with features like business-only pricing, quantity discounts, multi-user accounts, approval workflows, integration with procurement systems, and tax-exempt purchasing for eligible entities. Whether you are a startup ordering office supplies or a large organization sourcing IT equipment, Amazon Business scales to fit your needs. Key features. Let's break down some of the standout features available with Amazon Business in 2025. Business Prime. This is the paid subscription upgrade with added perks like enhanced analytics and faster shipping options. More on pricing soon. Analytics and spend visibility. You get detailed reports to monitor employee spending and manage budgets. Multi-user accounts. Add your whole team under one business account and assign roles and permissions. Approval workflows. Set up purchase approvals so spending stays under control. Tax exemption program. If you are eligible, you can enroll to make tax exempt purchases automatically. Pros. Alright, now let's talk about the pros and why so many companies are jumping on this platform. Number one, access to business-only discounts. Many products have exclusive lower pricing for business accounts, time-saving tools, fast reordering, order tracking, and consolidated billing reduce admin headaches. Flexible payment options, set up terms, recurring payments, and shared payment methods. Control and visibility. You have full oversight of what your team buys, how much they are spending, and where your budget is going. Scalability. Whether you are a solo entrepreneur or managing hundreds of employees, the account can scale with you. And finally, it is free to start. The basic Amazon Business account is completely free. You only pay if you upgrade to Business Prime. For sorry, no service is perfect. And of course, we have some cons. So here are a few cons to consider before signing up. And first downside is the extra costs. You'll need a paid subscription to unlock the most powerful tools like analytics and fast shipping for teams. And not all products have business discounts, so some items are priced the same as on regular Amazon. Another disadvantage is that it can get complex for small teams. If you are a one-person business, some features might feel excessive. Another disadvantage to consider is the limited customer support. Some users report slow responses when issues arise compared to traditional enterprise platforms. And the final disadvantage is tax exempt status requires approval, so it's not automatic. You will need to provide documentation and wait for verification. Pricing. Now let's talk about what it might cost you. The Amazon Business account itself is free, but if you want Business Prime, here is the 2025 pricing. Essentials will cost you $69 per year, and it is for up to 3 users, so 3 users can use it at a time. The small plan will cost you $179 per year, and it can be used for up to 10 users. The medium plan, which will cost you $500 per year, it can be used by up to 100 users. And finally, the enterprise plan, it has custom pricing and it can be used by more than 100 users, and in fact it is according to the size of your business. The more users you add, the more custom price you get and the more you will pay. Each tier adds features like guided buying, extended payment terms, and enhanced analytics. Who it is best for? So who should really consider an Amazon Business account in 2025? Number one, freelancers and small business owners. It's great for discounted office supplies and tracking expenses, and it is also great for mid-sized companies. You can use multi-user accounts and workflows to streamline your purchasing process. And governments agencies, tax exempt options and bulk pricing are major wins in this point. It's also best for large enterprises because of the integrations with procurement systems and analytics make large-scale management easier. Final verdict. Amazon Business is a solid solution for streamlining purchasing, saving money with business exclusive pricing, and gaining more control over how your team spends. If you are a small business, the free tier might be all you need. But if you are scaling up, investing in Business Prime can unlock tools that simplify operations in a big way. It is not perfect, and if you are happy with local vendors or with procurement platforms, it might not be a game changer. But for most businesses in 2025, it is at least worth trying. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please don't don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, hit the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.